How to fix error cause 10, error code 2030 in Black Ops 6. So this isn't really an error, this is just a feature. You must finish in the top 15 in Warzone or top 6 in Resurgence 20 times or win at least 20 matches in standard modes. It's also not just important that you meet the criteria, it's important that all players in your party meet the criteria. Even if one player lacks the wins or placements, the whole squad will get the error. You don't have to reset your router, verify game files, or reinstall the game. None of these fix ranked eligibility issues. You cannot bypass this by playing other modes, it won't change your rank entry status. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.